So we talked earlier on in videos 53 and 54 about building rapport and then about communication. So if you recall, we talked about using the person's name, saying thank you, and then we talked about in communication how important the physiology is over the words, etc. Right? So there is one other thing that I find is very important in this communication. So if we're in a meeting with somebody, we're in a meeting with a prospect, we're sitting down, and obviously we want to take notes because we want to be able to recap, we want to be able to learn, and we want to be able to review those notes later. And what I see a lot of the time, and most of the time in fact, is somebody takes out the laptop, they put the laptop in front of them and they type the notes as they talk. And I totally get that. I used to do it myself. But it's far more powerful to take a piece of paper or notebook or something like that and to write the notes. The reason it is like if you put up the laptop or even an iPad or anything like that, it just puts that barrier between you and the person, and it kind of looks like you're concentrating on the laptop and not concentrating on the person. You're looking at the screen, you're typing your notes. Whereas if you've got a pen and paper, it's much more natural, right? And the conversation you'll find will flow an awful lot easier. Now, I know the problem then is, right, you might lose those notes, and that is a little bit of an issue. So just make sure then that you take those notes and you transcribe them afterwards into your laptop, and you can use speech to text even to do that. I do that all the time. So I think that's very, very important. It will make a small difference to that rapport that you build with people, but it'll make a massive difference to how you interact and to your conversion rate at the end of the day. And that's what we're here. That's what we're here to talk about. We're trying to help you grow your business. So the better you can build that rapport, the less barriers that you put in the way, the better your business is going to be.